The next feature that we're looking at is an animal habitat. An animal habitat could be something as simple as this man-made birdhouse. It could be a lizard lounge or an insect hotel, or it could be something naturally made, a bird's nest or a simple mound on the ground made by some ants. So what do we teach with this? What concepts do we cover? The first thing we think of is science. We've got adaptations, food chains, food webs, interdependency, interactions amongst animals and their environment. But also we've got math. We could collect some data, we could collect some numbers, take them back to the classroom, do some graphing, or maybe we could integrate some science and some writing. The students could come out, make some observations, and then do a research paper, or we could look at some nonfiction text.